Good morning. Starting off on Monday, that means we start with the new spelling unit. We are on Unit 7 in your spelling books, and here's what we're focusing on, these three-letter clusters. If you wonder what a cluster is, it just means a group of three letters, and in this case it's going to be three consonants. And here's what I like about this lesson is you can really take your time and sound it out, and you can understand how to spell it by sounding it out. So if you have something like stra, that stra, like in string, if you can go s, that's an S, and t, that's a T, and r, that's an R, string, right? So the STR, that's that three-letter cluster that it's talking about. And well, here's a couple examples. If you notice, we're dealing with these three-letter clusters right here, the scra, the spla, the stra, and the spra. They're kind of fun to say and sound out, those three-letter clusters, but notice a few more words than you probably thought of. But for the most part, these always appear at the beginning. But as we're talking about, scratch, scrub, scram, splash, split, stretch, strap, spray, spree. To be honest with you, in my opinion, if you can sound that out and take it slowly, you can hear every letter sound and you can spell those letters, and then you just have to know how to spell the rest of the word. So if you look at your list here, here's where they all are. Notice no elephant words, which means every single base word here follows the rules. There's no outliers. There's no crazy guys that don't follow any rules, right? Like with the long A sound, but it's 8. It doesn't have an A in the word. We don't have those elephant words. So all of them follow the rules. It could be spring, throw, strong, or scream. Notice those are all those clusters, and here's your assignment down below to help practice with these three-letter clusters. It's really just practicing the spelling. In section A, which is right here, there's two sections, or two answers. It says write two basic words that begin with scra, scra. So find those words in here and write them correctly here. By the way, I'm still noticing that when you guys are writing spelling words, some of you are still capitalizing the words. Please notice there's no capital letters in here. That's very important because, like we learned in English, there are common nouns and proper nouns. Not that all these are nouns, but proper nouns are the words that need to be capitalized, like your name, or a school's name, or a street name, or a city name. Those need to be capitalized. These words don't. They don't. So they need to be lowercase. We will have some words a few units from now that need to be capitalized. These need to be lowercase or small letters, right? So, okay, going on to B, you can see 3. 1, 2, 3 here in section B. It says write three basic words that begin with spra, spra. Find the word. So here's one. And spell it here. C. Write 5 basic words that begin with stra. Find them here. Write them, one per blank. And D. Find 2 basic words that begin with thra. Hey, I hope you guys have a wonderful day as you praise your Savior.